My name is Neelakantan Iyer. I came from Cochin to Chandigarh for my total knee replacement surgery at the hands of Dr. Vineet Sharma, hip and knee clinic here in Chandigarh. So I got in touch with Mr. Vineet Sharma, Dr. Vineet Sharma through YouTube because I saw his videos in YouTube. Afterwards, I liked the videos. Then I spoke to him, and he welcomed me. And the main problem is that I came. I had nobody. I'm married, but my wife is no more. I have no children. There is nobody to help me. So almost all the hospitals were refusing me, including certain hospitals in Chandigarh also. Mr. Vineet Sharma said, "Don't worry, I am with you. I'll take care of you. Don't worry, you come." And I came here, and he took care of me so well. I was brought right from railway station to his clinic. Thereafter, to this Indus hospital in car. He arranged for everything. I never had to. He spoke with his Indus hospital person, everything about me. I never had any problem in coordinating anything. I was just standing. They took care of me very well and brought me to the room where I was admitted. And I was feeling comfortable. I was surprised because wherever you go, you want 4 people along with you. People won't attend you. People won't listen to you. That's not the thing. The moment you call for a person, 3-4 people come, they listen to you. Then afterwards, on 4/3/24, I was admitted, and on 5/3 morning around 7:30, I was taken to operation theatre. The operation was performed very well on the spine. I was conscious throughout the operation, and after operation, I came back and I thought it would be very painful. There was bearable painful. But next day morning when I got up around 4 o'clock, there was no pain at all. I was surprised. What is this? How can it be? Then thereafter, the next day morning, his physiotherapist, Mr. Anand Negi, a very super person, very energetic person, always keep you happy, very smiling. He came for physiotherapy. Then he made me to stand. I was surprised. Is it possible for me to stand? But I could stand very well. Then afterwards, he made me to walk also. Of course, with the help of walker. And that's all over. Then every day, twice, he used to come and do physiotherapy, lifting the leg, then pushing, pull up, ankle pumping, so many things. This is all I did. And today I am going to question. There is no pain. I am completely okay. And whenever I have a problem, immediately I used to contact Dr. Vineet Sharma. Immediately he used to give me reply. Even he arranged for me everything. The main thing, another thing is that insurance. I am insured under Health India TPA, United India Insurance Company. And I told him. Then before coming, he told me to send the papers, and he completely took care of through Indus Hospital only. Everything, all formalities through my insurance company, and he got me all the insurance amount. This doesn't happen in other hospitals. I have personal experience. I never had any problem, and they don't charge you also that heavily, very reasonable. And today I am living Chandigarh very happily. My knees are, of course, except for the surgery pain, there is nothing else. I can walk, I can climb stairs, and I don't need a stick also. So it's all very encouraging, very happy, as if a dream come true. I am always indebted to Dr. Vineet Sharma. मैं उनको भगवान मानते इतने अच्छे हैं. And please, friends, anybody you can come to him. He is really, he is a source of energy. हमारा सहारा बन जाते हैं. और क्या बोलूँ आगे. I am very happy today. I am giving. Namaste.